Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Today I'm back in the Jefferson National Forest. I'm very close to the town of Newport in Giles County, Southwest Virginia. We're along the Appalachian Trail at a place called Rocky Gap, and we're on Johns Creek Mountain. Here at Rocky Gap, we're just about 3,200 feet above sea level, maybe just a little over that. We're going to be taking the Appalachian Trail in a northbound direction, and about the first half mile of this hike is going to be a pretty moderate climb up to near the summit of Johns Creek Mountain. And from there we're going to continue along the AT, along the ridge of the mountain, and our goal today is to reach Kelly Knob, which is another part, kind of an extension of Johns Creek Mountain. So let's get going and check it out. Okay guys, so we're approximately 1/2 mile into our hike. You can see back here at this sign the intersection of the Johns Creek Mountain Trail here with the Appalachian Trail. The Johns Creek Mountain Trail is another excellent trail on this mountain. It descends a ridge kind of on the northeast slope of the mountain. A lot of great overlook, and once we reach this point here, the worst of our climbing is over. This vicinity here is more or less the summit of Johns Creek Mountain. We're approximately 3,797 feet above sea level here, and we're going to continue northbound on the AT, and as you would expect on any ridge, there's going to be some up and downs, but once we climb up here to the summit, the worst of our elevation change is over. So we've got about 1.5 miles to go to reach Kelly Knob, but as I mentioned, there'll be very little elevation change from this point on, so it should be pretty pleasant hiking, and we should be able to make some pretty good time. So we're in very early April 2014. Beautiful day today. Don't know the exact temperature, but I'm sure it's well into the 70s. Perfect day to be out on the trail. Still early for the leaves to start coming out on the trees, so that's allowing us to get good views of Salt Pond Mountain across the valley. That's more or less to our west. Okay guys, so we're actually on Kelly Knob right now, and according to this sign, the actual rock outcrop known as Kelly Knob and the overlook is 120 yards down this spur trail. So we're almost there. Let's go check it out. Really beautiful forest here, quite nice. And this is it, guys. This is the overlook on Kelly Knob. Great view of the Virginia Tech campus in Blacksburg from here at the rock outcrop on Kelly Knob. Awesome views down into the valley. Can see Salt Pond Mountain. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you along the trail.